Hi, Adobe Rush is a cross-platform application which can run with Windows and mobile devices. I'm going to show you how to use the application using an iPhone. I'm going to show you what you need to know. If it's not in this video, it's going to be at the playlist on the end. Adobe Rush is a free application. I'll show you how to create videos for YouTube or any other social media platform. Go to create new project. Select the media source you're selecting from and put them in order how you want them and tap on create. Go down to aspect ratio. Select your aspect ratio for the social media platform you're promoting your video to. With the clip highlighted, got different options. You can split it, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, you can do all sorts. You can move it with your finger. Go down to the bottom left hand corner and tap on the plus sign and then add graphics. Select the title. You've got a menu bar along the bottom, gives you different choices. And tap on the tick on the end. You can split it, duplicate it and delete it. So here we can see the title coming up on the screen. So now we're going to add a subscribe button on the end of the video. So go down the bottom and so select the plus sign, go to add media, then go along the bottom to overlays and add the subscribe button. Then tap on add. You can move it with your finger along the bottom. So with the clip selected, we've gone down the bottom to transitions. So we select a transition, then we drag it up between the two videos. So we're going to make the transition longer, the duration, to make it look better. So that looks a more cleaner transition. It's to just jump straight into it. So we can go down the bottom to speed and adjust the speed with the menu along the bottom. Got different choices in there like add pitch, the duration of the speed. You can maintain the pitch. You can see the video clip lengthening with the slowing up of the speed. So you can see here how easy it is to create a video, a short form video. You would soon have a short form video up in no time. So that subscribe button, you could tap on it, drag it over to the end if you wanted to leave it at that sort of speed. It's gone down to the bottom left hand corner, tapped on the plus sign. All these different soundtracks and sound effects. So with the soundtrack added, you can tap on the soundtrack and you can lower the volume, you can play around with it. You can lengthen it, shorten it. You can also delete it. I just randomly selected this one to show. So if I tap on the plus sign again, come back to sound effects. If I go down to plus sign again, and then I've selected voiceover. So if I tap on there to record my voice, you've got the timer running. And I can lock in my own voice if I wanted to. Hi, welcome to my video. So please like and subscribe to watch another video if you found this video useful. You can undo or export from the top menu bar. Thanks for watching.